Hello everyone, welcome to another recipe video of Karenderia. Our recipe of the day, Pork Hock Kare-Kare. The ingredients that we need: a kilo of pork hock, 3 tablespoons of rice flour, a cup of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of banato oil, 5 cloves of garlic minced, and 2 medium red onion minced.
Let's start. First, prepare a stock pot with 1.5 liter of water. Add in the pork, boil to simmer for an hour or until the meat tenderized. Skim the scum. When it's done, take it from the water and set aside. Save the water for later use. Then in a saucepan heat on not oil. Then saute onions. And garlic. Add in peanut butter. Then add in the water from the pork that you boiled earlier. Let it boil, then season it with salt and pepper to taste. And then add in the meat. Let it simmer again for 5 minutes. Then dilute the rice flour in a small amount of water. Then add it into the mixture. Simmer. While it is simmering, blanch the vegetables that you want to put in it.
Like snow cabbage or pechay. String beans. And pan-fried eggplant.
When it's about to cook, add in the vegetables that you prepared, and that's it. Enjoy!
Thank you for watching. See you on my next recipe video, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell button to notify you when I have a new video upload.